Live. I know we're just starting, so we're going to wait for some people to more hop into the stream. And yeah, I would like to welcome you all here at Alibaba's Open Day live trade show. This happens every single month. My name is Victor, and this trade show, it's a special live event that is held every month. And what this allows you to see, it allows you to gain an insight within the factories of some of the top verified suppliers and manufacturers here at Alibaba. And what that actually allows you to do is, first of all, it allows you to track the industry standards, the industry leads, right? So the industry trends. You can see what's happening in the industry through the leading suppliers like here at Shapewear. We will talk about Shapewear in a second. I would like to present to everybody what's going on here at all. First of all, it also allows you to scout potential suppliers. Again, just like here at Shapewear, you can take a look at within the factory, you can take a look at the processes, you can see all the new processes, all the new services, all the new products, and you can decide if this is the supplier for you. And that's what we're doing here today. We're going to be giving you a full tour of not just the production line, but also the showroom here at Shapewear. And also, last but not least, it allows you to secure some exclusive deals. You heard me right. Being on stream today right now gives you benefits, okay? You're not just seeing the inside of the factory. You're not just seeing the co-founder talk about the product. You're not just seeing the showroom. You're also getting up to 10% off while you are on stream here today. So without further ado, I would like to introduce today's supplier, manufacturer, and factory behind the millions in shapewear sales. You heard that right. This factory right here is responsible for millions in shapewear sales. It is the Shenzhen Shapewear Garments Co. Limited from Guangdong. Straight from the heart of the Shapewear Super Factory here again, like I said, we will be giving you an entire tour of the entire factory and the showroom. We will go into the production line, the cutting place, the shipping, the logo prints, everything you need to see to make your decision whether or not you want to go forward with incubating your brand here right now. That's right, but let me ask you this actually. What if your shapewear supplier was also your designer, your packager, and your fulfillment team? That's right, I'm gonna give you all the glimpses of Shapewear strengths here today. Because here, they design products for everybody, for all body types. They start at SS and they go up to 6XL. And they provide one-stop shop shapewear solutions with more than 2,000 designs available worldwide for shipment within 30 days. We have over 18 years of one-stop shop experience here at Shapewear with full-on service shapewear solutions. And these are not just buzzwords. This is not just the beginning of a live stream. We will show you today exactly what we mean. This is just the beginning. Welcome again, everybody that just joined in. I will repeat one more time. We are here within the Shapewear factory, showing you the entire factory, the outline, the production line, the logo printing, everything you need to see, and also the showroom. And standing next to me right now is actually my co-host and someone truly special, a true expert here at Shapewear. It's the very soul behind Shapewear. It is our co-founder and product design visionary, Annie. Annie, it's wonderful to have you here.
Thank you, Victor. Hello, everyone. This is Annie. Today, I'm so excited to share our story with all of you. Hold me in this. You know, Victor, you know why we created Shapewear.
Tell me.
You see, I have a bigger belly. You see? Do you have the same issue like me? Bigger belly, you see? It's horrible. I feel so sad about my body. So if you seem like this, what usually you will do? For me, I tried all kinds of shapewear to put on me to fix hair, but it's uncomfortable. It's holding me like this. Oh, cannot breathe. Yeah. So I think there must be a good way to make the comfortable shapewear. So I told this to my husband, Louis. He said, oh, it's a good idea because I'm a designer, he's a product manager. So he said, maybe we can try it. Okay. So good idea. So we start learning the skills and the spirit from the craftsman, make research and develop many kinds of shapewear to put on my no.
Nice.
Even we passed through a lot, but we did it. You see, Come to see the magic. You can screenshot to see before and after. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Because I already wear this house. Just let me try. You see? You can see it's flat. Don't know.
Ah.
See the side and also the back. You can wear this under any clothes. You see, it's invisible. Do you want to see this? I created a shaper, with my creative and care into every piece. So you want to make sure every woman feel comfortable and confident about themselves. So I believe as shaper can inspire women become more and more beautiful. Okay.
Nice, very good. And again, it is not often that we actually get to talk to the co-founder and the lead product designer at a factory. So it's again very, very wonderful to have you here, Annie, and thank you so much for sharing that introduction. But right now, before we kick things off, before we start going into the factory, once again, welcome everybody that just joined the live stream. I want to remind you guys one more time. We are here at Open Day, okay? And Open Day means the following. That's right. So every month, at the beginning of the month, the factories here, the top verified suppliers and the top verified manufacturers, just like S-Shaper here, open their doors for you guys to come in and see live exactly what's going on within here and have the opportunity to talk to somebody like Annie here, who is again a co-founder and the lead product designer and visionary here at S-Shaper. It is a wonderful opportunity for all of you guys over there to not just go on the website and look at the pictures, to actually have live video within the factory. And by the way, feel free to comment down below, to ask any questions, to ask any concerns, to tell us anything you would like to know. And our team behind the camera, the administrative team, the logistics team here at S-Shaper will try to get back to you as soon as possible. And one more thing, you do actually get benefits for being on this live stream here today.
Open Day limited time, up to 10% off.
That's right, look at that, wonderful.
Grab the factory press directly, enjoy the appearance as Shaper's colleague and kick off your brand incubation journey. Okay, let's go.
That's right.
With Lisa, or every step from yard to the final production. Today we'll show you. Okay, come on.
Okay, let's go, guys. So while we are walking one more time, you are here at Open Day together with your host Victor and together with your co-host Annie, and we are slowly moving into the first line of production there. We already mentioned all the live benefits, so don't forget to ask your questions in the comments and to drop your orders during the live stream because you get 10% off on the orders. Oh wow, looks like very big machinery.
This we have around 50 pieces. 50 pieces.
Wow. Looks very interesting. These machines are quite loud and quite big, and they look very sophisticated. You can see on your screen right now, the camera is showing you what these machines actually do. Very interesting stuff.
Today
cool.
We'll show you how it comes from the yard to the final products. After we make the marketing research, we find many suppliers. Their production takes around 3 to 6 months, and they cannot accept small orders like just thousands orders. So, but the market changed. So the many buyers, they just want a flexible quantity and fast shipment.
Yeah.
That's why we chose this intelligent machine with a sintonic machine.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see. Let's go there. Come to see.
Yes, we got to be very careful. I am a little tall here, so if I put my head in there, that's not a good thing. That should happen.
Okay.
So we're going to be very careful as we're walking through here. This is very high-grade machinery, very advanced, intelligent production line. It is. I mean, you guys can see this, right? You guys can see within that this is not kids stuff. This is not for children. This is only for experts. The people that work here are highly qualified workers, okay? These people know exactly what they're doing. They know exactly how to set up these machines. You can see that this thing is an absolute beautiful piece here.
You know, this yard, you can see. So we buy this yard, then they will make production here. Only takes 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
We will here to see, okay? Only 4 minutes.
Oh, I would love to see that.
Like
okay.
This. we'll get it like this, semi-finished product like this, only 4 minutes.
Nice.
Hey, that's
Okay.
quickness, okay?
Yeah. Do we get to see? Are we actually going to see how this works?
Yeah, we'll see how it works.
That's why it is a wonderful opportunity for you guys to be here today on this live, so Annie can show us exactly how this works, how this machine runs through. We will show you the process. Within 4 minutes, it's going to produce a piece of garment, the almost finished piece of garment. Let's move on to the next stage so we can actually see a working machine currently do this stuff for us. Absolutely.
We just set up your date on this machine. Then you can see it's floating here, you can see.
Very, very cool. Look at that.
And we have different machines, you know, from size 11 to size 21. So it can make actual small to 6XL to meet all body types.
Very cool. Very, very cool.
Yeah, we will wait 4 minutes to see.
Wonderful. No problem. In these 4 minutes, I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit about what we got going on here today. We are again at the Alibaba Open Day. We are right now within the S Shaper factory. You can see right here, the yarn is being spun around. I'll be very careful. Yes, that's right. I'm sorry. I'll be very careful not to touch anything, but you can see this high-level machine is spinning out the yarn to create a beautiful garment. Right now, we are watching this machine produce the next piece. We're watching this machine produce the next piece. That's right. Like I said, there are dozens of these machines here, and they're able to pump out a piece of garment within 4 minutes, directly set. Right here on the control panel, you directly set a professional, a very qualified worker.
One machine, how many pieces can make 1 day?
How many?
500.
Oh, 500 in one day.
Yeah, 1 day.
Wow.
They can work 24 hours.
Oh, wow. Okay, 24 hours.
Person can.
This is what you call an intelligent production line. You set it up and it pumps out new garments, 500 per day.
Yeah, 500 per day, one machine, and we have 15 machines.
Wow.
So you can. Whoa, wait, you will see. We're coming out soon.
It is about to pump out the next big thing. That's right. Your brand can have their clothing and garments printed out and pumped out exactly from this machine. And that's why it's a wonderful opportunity for you guys to be behind the screen today and look at this piece being produced. It is a wonderful opportunity for you guys to see live exactly how this happens and exactly how this takes place. We're gonna wait for the next piece of clothing to pump out. There it is. Look at that. Wow, very cool. Very, very cool.
Wow.
And now we have...
You see it's fresh.
Oh,
touch
wow.
it. It's still hot.
It is still hot. Oh my God, yeah. And it feels very soft.
So
Beautiful.
you already make the design before you put the data on this machine.
Wow, very
see?
nice.
Then we just then this will send to drying. Just the cut, then stitch, then become the final product.
Very nice. Yeah,
Very
so this
nice,
piece right here, it will move on in the production line, and then it will be precisely cut, precisely sewn. Logo will be printed on it, and then you'll be good to go for your brand.
4 minutes.
That's right.
All of us on the stream, we witness this, right?
Wow, very, very cool. Only 4 minutes, that's right.
Only 4 minutes.
500 pieces a day and dozens of machines
see,
here.
500, and we have 50 machines.
Oh,
so
wow.
1 day, 25,000, right?
Wow, 25,000
per day.
25,000 pieces per day can be produced
so
here.
You can guess how many for 1 month.
Oh my God, times 30. That sounds like a lot. I can't do that kind of math.
Okay, done. Ready? 25,000 plus 30. Then
750,000 pieces produced per month. Wow, that is a crazy, crazy, crazy amount. That is insane. 8 million per year, guys.
Oh, great! You calculate.
Wow. Look at
well
that.
done.
8 million
8 million per year.
Crazy. And again, this is the beauty of Open Day, because you can come in and see for yourself. You can come in and see live exactly how these things happen, so you don't have questions or concerns or worries.
These machines, one person, how many machines they can charge?
How many?
8.
8?
Yeah,
oh,
8.
Wow.
They can charge 8. Then we have 8 hours, then change another person.
Wow.
Because this machine can work 24 hours.
Okay, very, very nice. Very sophisticated. It is an automated
also,
process.
they will check one by one to guarantee the quality. You see, if they find a defect, just from the branch pan, you can see?
Yeah, very, very nice. Okay, very, very cool. So these machines get set up with all the correct requirements, all the correct prerequisites by a professional. It gets set up, the machines start working, pumping out 500 per day, 750,000 per month. And after that, it gets checked by another worker who goes around and checks that everything is up to par, everything is up to standard. That's right, and everything looks good. One person can check up to 8 machines at once, and then they get changed to another worker. So you limit the amount of human error that can happen, and you let the machine do some of the most and biggest work that we got for you today.
Here we have the GRS machine.
Oh, look at that.
It's a GRS certificate of recycle for the environment protection. For this machine, we'll use very special recycle yard. You can see here, recycle yard to make the semi-finished product. Then we'll packing also with the recycle packaging.
Wow.
So this way, we are not only make products, we also protect the environment.
Oh, very nice. And just like Annie said, usually it takes 3 to 6 months for a company to make this from the place of your order up until the very end. But here, because of things like this, because of the intelligent production line and all the other processes that we will show you today, it only takes 30 days.
So now you have ideas, because it's just a semi-finished product, it takes only 4 minutes.
Yeah.
So after the join, stitch, and packaging, so in 30 minutes we can guarantee it.
That's right, in only 30 minutes. And that is quite a feat, because again, usually it takes 3 to 6 months. And in 3 to 6 months, so many things can change. The competitors, the trends. So from the time of your idea up until you actually get it delivered with other companies, not that viable. But here, 30 days, that is crazy. And you can see why, and we will show you why throughout the entire tour today. Okay, sounds good? Wonderful. So yeah, as we are slowly moving on, very slowly, I would like to remind you guys.
It's like a robot.
Oh, okay, nice.
Just make out.
Very, very cool. Yeah, these machines look way too sophisticated for me. I have no idea how they're set up.
You have no idea. Now you have.
Now I actually understand. Thank you for showing
why
me.
Only 30 days, right?
Absolutely, that's right. And these machines, they can actually cut from size 11 up until
to 21 size.
Oh, look at that.
So
okay.
they can support from size XX small to 6XL.
Wow, that's right. So you can cover every range of body types that you can think of from any country, from any culture, from anywhere, really. And we will show you some success stories later on, some case examples a little later when we get to the showroom.
Yeah, these we will, they just finish from the machine, then we will send to the drying factory. They print any color you want, okay?
Okay, very
What's your
nice.
favorite color?
Oh, actually, I don't know. I would go with dark gray. Yeah, dark gray, purple, something like that. I'm a big fan. By the way, let me tell you a story very quickly before we move on. I'd like to tell you a story. So yesterday we came to the factory here. And Annie told me, okay, try on this shirt. Okay, just put the shirt on.
Just wear 2XL.
That's right, that's right. I got the size 2XL. I'm quite a tall guy. And Annie told me, try the shirt on and walk around, go do some workouts with it after when you go home.
Hot.
That's right, it's hot outside. Go do some workouts, sweat a bit. And don't wash the shirt today. I was like, what do you mean don't wash the shirt today? She's like, come back and do the stream tomorrow in the same shirt. It's not going to smell, and it's going to dry out basically within 30 minutes. Within the same day, it's a very quick dry shirt. And I was like, you know what? Okay, challenge accepted. I'll do that. I came in here today. It does not smell at all. I spent the entire day in it yesterday. You can see the S-Shaper brand right here. So I am first person seeing the quality of these products and the promises that Annie makes, and I can see that they're true because it does not smell, even though I did sweat a lot yesterday. So yeah, very, very, very cool.
Thank you.
That's right. I'd like to remind you guys one more time, we are here on Alibaba's open day. And what this means is every month you get a chance to see inside the factories, to talk to some of the people and experts from these factories, just like Annie today, the co-founder of S-Shaper and the lead product designer, the lead visionary of S-Shaper right here. And so this open day at Alibaba allows you and gives you the opportunity to actually go in live for yourself, see everything with your own eyes, how it works, how it gets produced, what the people here say. and you can decide whether or not this will be the supplier for you. And in 30 days, again here at S Shaper, you can
Let's
get your
review
brand.
again. We saw these machines, intelligent machines. They can work very fast. Only 4 minutes they can make the semi-finished products. Then we will move to the drying, the stitch, and the iron and the packing.
That's right. So we are going to slowly move on here. We do have our factory elevator here. So why don't we hop into it? Hopefully the internet doesn't cut out in this elevator, but I think we should be just fine. We have the entire crew moving in with the camera and everybody. And yeah, so just remember one more time that we are here at Open Day. Please tell us, you do get a benefit for being here. It's how much? What's the discount again?
Open Day limited time, up to 10% off.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's right. Save big, up to 10% off for Open Day here
Click
at
to
Alibaba.
contact our sales team now. You will get this benefit.
That's right. Feel free to press the chat now button actually on our store page, and you can contact our sales team. You can get the benefit that way. You can ask your questions, you can get a quote, you can ask anything you want. We will address any concern, we will address any comment, we will reply to everybody on time in a very timely manner. That's another big benefit of you being here on this stream. So I would like to welcome everybody that hasn't been here yet. We are inside the S Shaper factory, the leading global brand for S Shaper incubator for your white label brand within 30 days, responsible for millions in sales. That's right, and shapewear sales. Okay,
So
well.
now we move to the stitch.
Wow, look at that.
Nice,
Okay,
okay.
so now we are actually at the workshop stage.
Yeah,
Look at
so
that.
many workers. Yeah.
That's right. Okay, very nice. Very, very, very cool. We are slowly going to show you this entire production line. And after we do, we will go up to the showroom. But in the meanwhile, we are slowly moving on to see the meticulous work of every qualified professional here in this room. From cutting to sewing to precision cutting to designing to logo printing to ironing to all of that. You will get to see and experience it here today. So we actually do
Let's
have
see here, okay?
That's right. Let's move on slowly. But before we do, I would like to remind you that there are 26 rigorous practices here that every piece goes through. So you saw the machine spit out a piece within 4 minutes.
Yeah, then 4 minutes, then we will send to drying, then move to here.
That's
After
right.
drying, you can see the color now. Before it's just white, it's raw. It's
Yeah.
raw. Now you can see it's drying black and the colorful white, everything.
And now we see all the different
Yeah,
colors
yeah.
we have here, all the different colors. We have a black piece, looks like a tank top, being sewn on right here, again by the qualified expert professionals. And you saw how the machine spits each piece out within 4 minutes. Then it moves on to here where it is very precisely sewn and cut. And we will show you all the quality inspection, all the sewing, all the cutting that's being done here. And one more time, I'd like to remind you that each piece undergoes 26 rigorous production process. And within those 26, there are 70 distinct cutting and sewing techniques that are absolutely critical for achieving the perfect shape for your customers and to achieve the optimal shapewear comfort, because this is really what it's all about.
Let's see what they are doing now.
Okay,
Oh,
let's see. Let's double check.
They are put the two pieces together, connect together. Try to show all the clients.
Look at that. Okay, precision
Yeah.
sewing. Exactly, the worker knows exactly what she needs to do with each of these pieces.
They make like a printing machine so fast.
Yeah, very, very nice.
See?
Okay,
And
very,
it's,
very cool.
it's correct.
And you can see the
Yeah,
pieces
in the-
here, right here, right? Is that
Yeah,
right?
this make 这个是做什么的呀？肩部是吗？Ah, they make the sleeve.
Oh, they're putting on the sleeves right now.
I show you now.
Let's see one of the almost finished pieces here
Yeah,
that's been
come
sewn
to
on.
see.
Come
Oh,
see.
this is 4 little 6 thread.
Oh, look at that.
You see,
Very
it's
nice.
it's flat seams, so no little marks on your arms. Let me show you this one. See mine. The normally we buy clothes like this.
Yeah, yeah, that's
But
right.
you see this one? It's also sleeveless. I show you.
Let's see.
Wow.
Oh, okay, look at that. That's actually very
you can
flat.
compare, you can hold, and see, you can compare.
I can totally tell that this one is way more comfortable. It doesn't leave any lines on your body. Yeah, I see this thing
normally we see like this, right?
Wow, very
so
cool.
we think every details to make a comfortable sweater.
That's right. Your customers will notice the difference in quality because it's little things like this that actually matter. That's right. So when you're trying to build your white label brand and you're trying to distinct yourself by being higher quality, more comfortable, less lines on your body, less uncomfortable things going on, this is exactly what matters, okay? These are the small details and the little pieces that make S-Shaper exactly who it is.
This is a long sleeve shirt.
Nice,
You can
very
see,
cool.
You can see the compression on the side. So
That's right. And this is just one of the first steps here in the entire process, and it already looks really good. I can already see the quality in this. Obviously, this is not the finished product.
So after drying, you just stitch the arms, add the arms.
Yeah.
So this this stitch we also use for the legs, the legs. Also use the same way to make it comfortable.
That's right. So this thing, again, it doesn't get stuck into your body. It doesn't leave the marks. It is very comfortable to wear. And again, your customers will very, very highly appreciate it.
That's
right. So make sure to check out.
Very fast.
Oh, wow. Okay,
very
fast.
They have more than 10 years experience, so they can move very fast, like a printing machine. Not like new workers, they slowly and don't know how to make it correct. You see,
Very nice.
fast.
Very, very nice. Okay, very cool.
你一天可以做多少件啊？2件。They can make around one day can make around 2,500 pieces.
Really?
Yeah, you see?
Oh, wow.
The machine can make
25,000, yeah.
They can make 2,500 per day.
Oh, wow.
Stitch like this.
Very, very nice. Okay, so every step here, everybody knows exactly what they're doing. Every piece of the sewing machine here, every step of the process is meticulously crafted by very, very experienced workers. That's right. You will see that every piece here, again, is sewn exactly to perfection. Okay, every piece here is sewn exactly to perfection. You do have these workers that have been doing this for a long time. They can do this very fast. And this is one of the reasons that your pieces can be ready within 30 days from the very beginning up until the shipment of your products. 30-day turnaround time, which is crazy and unprecedented in this business. Usually takes 3 to 6 months. But today we're showing you exactly why it takes only 30 days here at S-Shaper. That's right. So as we're slowly moving on, as we are slowly moving on here, okay, well, we had the white pieces there. Now we're looking at a black piece.
Black
what is this?
one. Oh, this is a bodysuit.
Let's see.
Bodysuit, you see? Then we'll stitch here,
Very
just
cool.
Just stitch here to make it like finished products. We just then add the strips. You see?
Nice.
See here.
Nice.
这搞好了，给我一件。Okay. We say one more time. We just stitch here and add the strips. So, for some, we can make it here is with lacy. So more.
Looks
you can
very
wear.
Cool.
Yeah.
I would never be able to do this. This looks like it requires a lot of experience and a lot of precision because they're going through with the very thin pieces there, and they're able to cut it basically exactly to precision. They're able to sew it exactly to precision, and this could be your product coming out next. Just keep that in mind.
You see?
Oh, look at that. Okay, very, very cool. Let me see.
Touch it.
Okay, that is an absolutely perfect sew. I mean, I don't see any threads, any of that. That is exactly how I would imagine
a top. Adjust the strip.
Very, very, very nice. Very cool. Okay, very, very, very cool. Nice. And yeah, you can see here that every piece here, every worker knows exactly what they're doing. Every worker.
Seamless, the product they have very, flexible,
very
elastic,
stretchy fabric,
so
yes.
You can make it stretch.
Yeah, nice. Let me try.
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay, yeah. Oh my God, yeah. It feels very stretchy, and that makes me think that they would be very comfortable to wear. And I believe that every piece here is made with complete comfort of your future customers in mind, so that it doesn't only shape their body the way that they want it to shape their body, but it is also very comfortable to wear, seamless to wear. Not like all the other shapewear that is usually very rigid and very restrictive and very, very, very uncomfortable to wear. Here, it is a completely different story. And one more time, we are showing you why it is being done here, how it can happen. We started with the intelligent production line of these machines spitting out a piece every 4 minutes, and now we're at the hand sewing and cutting part here. So a very, very, very cool stuff.
You see, they make the design for the breast.
Oh, nice, nice.
Connect and up here. You see, every details I show you. And this line, you know what this line for? It's for compressed belly. You see, wow, you see?
Okay.
It's compressed here.
Very nice. Yeah, I can feel the quality in here with my hands. That is very cool.
If you are just new to the live stream, you know, we just finished the machines.
Yeah.
You remember machines?
That's right.
It's only 4 minutes can get like this.
Wow.
Then just join the stitch like this.
Very, very, very cool. Yeah, that's right.
So,
for everybody that's just joining the live stream, let me remind you guys one more time. We are here inside the S Shaper factory, and we are showing you every step of the way of how these things get produced, how the shapewear, how the company behind millions of shapewear sales actually produces their products. We already saw the machinery up top. Now we're looking at the manufacturing, the workshop section here, and we will be slowly moving on through the entire process and showing you all of it. And by the way, while you are here on stream, welcome if you're new. Hello again if you've been here since the beginning. My name is Victor. This is my co-host Annie, the co-founder and the lead product designer here at S Shaper. It's not often that you get the opportunity to talk to the highest level decision maker at a company, and it's not often that you get to live stream and live see Annie talk about the products and all of those beautiful, wonderful things that goes on here at S Shaper. Okay, just keep that in mind. That's with that being said, we are slowly moving on. As you can see, very, very qualified professionals here working to make sure that your products get shipped out within 30 days from the very start. Your entire brand will be incubated within 30 days. Unprecedented stuff. Unprecedented stuff. So yeah, that's right.
You know
by the way,
what they are doing now?
Oh, what are they doing here? Let's see.
Ironing.
Oh, they're ironing this thing.
To make it
very
smooth.
Nice, very nice. Okay. Look at that. Let's just take a look at how this goes on. Let's just take a look. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Both sides.
That's right. Both sides are ironed, so they arrive to you in exactly perfect condition. That's exactly right. Stacked up on top and moved on to the next piece. Again, every worker here has a lot of experience. They are all trained and qualified professionals, and we are bringing you their work live, so you can see live exactly what they do, how they do it, and how all of this gets made and produced. Okay, so yeah, slowly but surely, I would like to remind you guys that you do get benefits for being live on stream here today, and the benefit is up to 10% off any order that you place, okay? And leave down your comments below if you have any questions, concerns, comments. Our team will address you very quickly, very promptly. We will try to answer any question. We will try to reply to any comment and address any concern, okay? So
I asked these guys how many pieces they can earn one day. They said around 2,000 pieces.
Oh, around 2,000 pieces. Oh my God, yeah, beautiful. Very cool. So it looks like this is a sports bra. Right?
Oh, yes, sports bra.
Looks like it's a sports bra that's being ironed right now, a Shapewear sports bra. Very cool. So we have these products coming in one at a time. They are ironing them in one at a time to ensure that they come exactly as they're supposed to, with no wrinkles, with nothing like that. So you get them perfectly from the factory directly, okay? So you don't need to do any additional steps, any additional movements. Everything is done here. The entire brand gets incubated here at this factory at S Shaper. That's right. So we can see that these guys are ironing all these clothes right now. And after that, we are slowly moving on to the next piece here, looks like. Oh, wow,
what
interesting.
They are doing. Oh, it's a Now it's a logo, print logo area.
Oh, okay. This looks like logo printing now. Very, very cool.
You know, normally for the logo print, we have the sewing stitch and
that uncomfortable.
yeah, not comfortable. Always I buy the clothes, I will just cut.
Yeah.
Before wash, okay. So we suggest the clients use this heat transfer print.
So this is a heat transfer logo print right here. Let's see. Oh wow, very cool.
They come with your logo, or your size, and the details. You know, the fabric, like 60% little and 10%.
Nice.
Yeah, I can put all the information.
Very, very cool. Very cool. So maybe you can see right here. We're not going to show you the actual logo because it's a company that actually places business, but you can see the quality of everything else. Perfect,
it's
beautiful. It's very durable.
Wash it.
It looks beautiful. And I know that there are a couple of ways that you can do this. You can do heat transfer, embroidery, screen printing, silicone printing. You can basically do whatever you want. You can ask S-Shaper to do whatever you want for your logo, essentially. Absolutely beautiful and wonderful. Again, this qualified worker is currently printing all the logos. So very cool stuff. So after all the logos get printed, they get put, they get heat transferred on here, and they're thrown into the next bin
into
here.
the last step.
And then we go on to the last step. Can you guess what it is, viewers? Of course you can. It is obviously
QC check.
That's
QC
right.
check.
It is exactly right. What you thought it is. It is quality control, because obviously before each piece gets shipped to you and to your customers, we are going to quality control them.
We'll make sure every product is perfect, then just move to the packing. We'll see. Now checking one by one.
Every single piece is checked for quality.
They have actual thread and your cut.
That's right. All the threads are thinned. Everything is done here. Exactly. Each piece is checked one by one. You will not have any threads sticking out. You will not have any imperfections. You will not have anything wrong with your piece. And that's the beauty of working with a supplier like S-Shaper. That's right. It's a beauty.
Our products is follow ISO 9001. It's we follow this standard. So every step from the raw material, from the integrated machine there, and also they dry, stitch, every step we follow this.
Nice.
And we also have the as we just saw on the upstairs, right?
Nice.
So this environment protection. We also have social. How to say?
Which one? This one?
No.
Social
responsibility.
Yes, there we go. Well, so as I've been told and as I've seen with my own eyes, you guys use eco-friendly products, ethically sourced products, ethical production of all the pieces here, because obviously for your customers, it is great to have a beautiful and comfortable piece of clothing that fits very good on your body. However, it is even better if on top of that, they can have comfort within themselves knowing that they're wearing eco-friendly and eco-friendly produced clothing and shapewear and pieces that have been done very responsibly, ethically responsible, okay. So I believe we did have a question in the comment section down below that said something like, will you show us the 30-day incubation cases? So we will move on to the showroom after we're done with the entire production line. Okay, we do want to spend as much time as possible showing you all these pieces being checked. So maybe let's...
you see, they found this.
Oh, we found a defect and they marked it.
So they marked it just to put the other area.
So let me tell you this, guys. How many times have you ordered pieces of clothing and you get them arrived like this? They arrive to your hands like this. Your customers get them exactly like that. How many times? I know the answer is many. Okay, many times, me included. I've ordered products and they arrive like this. Here, they will not. They will never arrive like this. You can see at the quality control section, they marked it down right here, and either the piece will be scrapped and a new one will be made, or this will be fixed so that there's no defects. And that is why it is beautiful to work with a supplier like S-Shaper, because nothing will be shipped with a defect. Okay, nothing will be shipped with a defect. Any small and irrelevant defects that can be considered so by other companies are not considered so here. So it's marked and it's fixed, okay? Very, very cool stuff. Very, very cool.
So after QC, we will move to the packing. place.
Okay,
Nice
absolutely.
packing.
Yes, so before we do move on to the packing place, I do want to tell you one more thing, okay? So we are here at Open Day at Alibaba, and what this means is factories, the top verified suppliers, top verified manufacturers open their doors for you guys to come and see live within their factories, so you can see the production line, so you can see every step of the process that's being done. And today, I'm your host, Victor, together with Annie, and Annie is a very, very special co-host. She is the co-founder and the lead product designer here at S-Shaper, and it's not often that you get the chance to talk and hear live from the biggest and the top decision maker at a factory in a company like this that is responsible for millions of sales. Usually they wouldn't even have time to do this, but we really here at S-Shaper really care about our customer experience, so you get to experience this live. And by the way, tell us about the discounts that you can get by watching this live stream.
Open Day limited time, up to 10% off.
Oh,
Just
wow.
grab our factory price directly, experience S-Shaper content, kick off your brand journey, okay? Let's move to the last place, packing now.
Absolutely. Let's slowly move on to the packing area here.
We packing according to the buyer's requirement. Now you see. They put the items number and the sizes. They pack like 几件一装啊？ they say pack 10 pieces per bag because these clients require 10 pieces per bag. Then they will put the item number and the sizes.
Yes, you can see the workers are.
Same color, same size. 10 pieces in one bag.
Okay.
You see?
So after the entire process, from the machines up top, up to the cutting, the sewing, the ironing, the logo printing, and the quality inspection at the end, it gets put on right here, and you can see how fast the worker packs them. These workers have a lot of experience, so they can do this very fast to make sure that your brand gets incubated within 30 days. And we did have a question in the comments that said, will there be any discounts? Of course! Of course there will be discounts. Obviously there will be discounts. You're not only live watching within the factory, you're not only seeing the entire process happen, you also get up to 10% off your order. So place your orders now, or get in touch with the sales team, or ask your questions in the comments and we will answer all of them.
Will answer.
That's right, our team will answer all the questions, every concern, everything you need to know. But yeah, currently right now, as we speak, these pieces are getting packed, and like we said,
after they pack now, they will put in the K-market cartons. Then you will choose by air, by express, or by sea.
Yeah, okay, very, very nice.
You will also put the shipping mark, so you know what's inside the carton.
That's right, and you can see that these workers here, they do this very quickly. They're able to get these pieces off in a very quick, short amount of time, which is how you get your pieces ready within 30 days, okay? Most other companies, they do this in 3 months, 6 months, 6 months. And in 6 months, the trends and the competition, it can change. It can change very quickly. So imagine you have your idea for your shapewear brand, you want to find a supplier, you get it, you buy it, and then you have to wait 6 months until you're ready to ship to your customers. That doesn't work. That's not so good.
Also season change.
That's right. So many things can change. But here at S-Shaper, it is only 30 days from the very beginning. And here, again, S-Shaper offers everything from design to manufacturing to packaging to shipping to logo printing to everything, the whole thing. You just select one of the 2,000 plus designs that we have here, over 1,000 packing methods, and basically here we take care of the rest. That's right. And one more time, I just want to tell you, we are showing you everything around here, how everything gets made, how the machinery produces and pumps it out, and how they showcase every single piece that's being produced, from sewing to quality inspection to packing to logo printing to ironing to everything, and you get to see it live today here on stream. And that is the beauty. Again, I'd like to remind you, my name is Victor. I'm here with our co-host Annie, a very, very special guest today. It is not often that you get to see live the co-founder and the lead product design and the lead visionary of a brand and of a supplier. It is very not often that you can do that. So thank you so much for being here with us, Annie. This is important. Thank you.
So after packing, we are not finished service. We also provide after sales service. So if anything happens for the quality or for the any issues you want to ask more details, we still provide.
Yeah, very, very cool. Yeah, so we can see right here to our left, we have a lot of the things that are good to go. They're ready to be shipped out to the warehouses and all of that. Really, really cool stuff. A lot of pieces are packed tightly together. I can see right here, I'm looking at one of the things here. I don't want to mess with it too much because I don't want to take it out, but look at that. Beautifully, tightly packed, heavy pack, ironed, quality inspected, sewn to perfection. I mean, this is basically as good as it gets, really. And all of this is done within 30 days. That is insane. Very tightly packed, but not wrinkled, ironed, and good to go. You can say I can easily put it back in, though I'm not a professional packer. That's right. You can put it.
Okay.
That's right. Boom. Beautiful. That is exactly what you want to see when you order shapewear from a brand that has sold millions. That has sold millions and millions and millions, and they help brands go viral. That's right. So this is your opportunity to ask questions. This is your opportunity to place orders. This is your opportunity to go ahead and contact the sales support and the sales team here at S-Shaper. And again, here we are showing you everything within the factory line, showing you everything that's going on. Again, here we have an absolutely beautiful tank top in red color. I can see the lines around it shaping it. Very, very beautiful, very soft. Very soft to the touch, very high quality. Not only does it shape you, it also is very comfortable to wear.
Fashion. See this one? It's fashion. It's like just the normal.
That's right. Very, very fashionable. It looks just like a normal tank top.
Yeah, you just wear and add the coat.
Yeah, that's right. And it's shapewear.
So people can connect with fashion now.
That's right. It's a very fashionable shapewear piece. Let me give you a little board here that says only 2 words. Follow us.
Follow us.
That's right. So feel free to follow us on the Alibaba page on any socials. Check out the website, S-Shaper. That's right. Check out the website. Get in touch with us. Get in contact with the sales team. We will highly appreciate any questions, concerns, or comments that you may have. Again, we are at the quality inspection section here. These are, looks like purple women's sports bras. And very, very vibrant colors. Very, very cool. Like we showed you, there was a very small defect on one of the pieces, immediately flagged. That piece will not get shipped out like it as is, okay? So that defect that I saw, I've seen on new clothes that I've bought before. I would buy a piece of clothing and it would arrive and it would be a defect like that. I'd be like, okay, that's normal, you know? But here, it's not normal. At S-Shaper, it's not normal at all. Every little piece that's defected, and there's not many, believe me, but any piece that's defected, it gets flagged immediately, and either that piece will not get shipped out or it will get fixed before it gets shipped out. So that's exactly what you want to see from your clothing supplier, and that's exactly what your customers want to see from your white label product, okay? And by the way, how many pieces do we have to order minimum? What is the minimum?
100.
That's right.
For your logo.
That's right, with your
logo.
logo.
We provide one-stop solutions, packing well for you, everything. You just get it and start to sell it.
Wow, look at that. You just get it and you're good to go. You can start selling it immediately, and the minimum order quantity is low, only 100 products. Other companies, usually 1,000, maybe 500 if you're lucky, okay? But usually it's closer to 1,000, that's right. So, yes, we did take a look today at the machinery first and foremost, pumps out 4 minutes, 1 piece, and there's 50 machines. Now we are looking at all the workshop work that's being done here, the hand sewing, the hand stitching by highly qualified professionals, the ironing and the quality checking and the logo printing, an absolutely beautiful process all around. Maybe we can show again. These workers aren't just working while we are walking around and showing this. No, they're all working the entire time, okay? And they're able to pump out very many pieces in one day, and they're able to do this very quickly. That's
around one person around 2,000 pieces.
2,000 pieces per day go through each of these tables.
So that's why we can grant you 30 days.
That's exactly right. Other companies, 3 months, 6 months, but here at S-Shaper, we can incubate your product from the very beginning up until the very end within 30 days. That is a crazy number, okay? That is
Join us, you can witness this. Wow, every step from the raw material to the final production.
That's right. And like we said, there are a lot of certifications here. The ISO 9001, the social responsibility certifications. All of these are done with eco-friendly materials and ethically produced, okay? So not only can you feel comfortable wearing the products, you can also feel comfortable within your heart to know that everything is eco-friendly, the materials are eco-friendly, the work is ethically produced, and everything is ethically sourced. So your customers, this will be important to them. You can include that in your white label, that everything is ethical and eco-friendly, and that is very important. And yeah, I would like to remind you guys one more time that here at S-Shaper, you guys go from double XS, size XXS, up until
6XL.
6XL. Look at that.
It's
so
ready
any
fixed
body
for
type,
all body types.
any body type,
Yeah.
any country, any market, anywhere in the world, really. Global, truly, truly global. We can get this done for you for absolutely any kind of customers that you have, from petite to plus size. Again, from double XS up until 6XL. You can get your shapewear ready to go in 30 days for anybody, really. So, yes.
Now we move to the sample room.
Oh,
Yeah,
interesting.
they make sample here.
What is going on here? Wow, look at that. Interesting. Maybe we can ask the workers what they're doing. Maybe we
Yeah.
can interview them really quickly. Very cool.
这是纸样吗？they make the panel pattern.
Very
they
nice.
make a pattern. Then make the sample. We also will use the intelligent machine. They put the data. Then they will seem like the punk production.
Okay.
Then drawing colors. You see the black. You see this blue. Then
Very
they
nice.
cut like the neck. You can make the V neck, square neck, scallop neck, deep V neck, everything.
Very, very
Yeah,
nice. So it looks like it's very, very, very precision
drawing, because
oriented
this
here.
is only samples, so they are.
That's right. So
drawing.
these are like the first initial samples that we want to make and see if they can actually make it into production, see if they actually look good and feel good and they're comfortable to wear. Very nice. Very, very nice to see the samples being produced right here. This is just one of the first steps in the entire process. And by the way, I'd like to tell you guys one more story very quickly. I said it at the beginning, but I'd like to say it again. Yesterday when we came to the factory, Annie told me, hey, you know what, put on this shirt because it's quite hot. It is a quick dry shirt, and bring it tomorrow. Go work out, go for a run, just go under the sun, and bring it tomorrow to the live stream, and don't wash it before that. I mean, what do you mean don't wash it? It's gonna smell. And she's like, no, it's not gonna smell, Victor. And I was like, okay, you know what? That's fine. I mean, I do want to personally check the quality here at S-Shaper, so that's fine. I'll do that. And I came in today, and it doesn't smell at all, though I've sweated through this thing, just so you understand. Everything else smells except for this shirt. So I am personally, with my own eyes and feelings and hands and armpits, checking the quality of S-Shaper here. That's right. So we can bring to you the final product, and you can see live how all of these things work and how they are all set up. Very, very, very cool stuff. So we can see the worker here precision cutting all these pieces.
这是在做领吗？
这裁剪。
This is you see square neck. You make now. You
very
see
nice.
here is the belly. You see the lines.
The belly shaper. Okay,
Yeah.
very, very cool. So these are samples. These are like samples for potential future designs. So essentially somebody designs these, and then they are very quickly, just so we can see if it works or not, they're very quickly just done in this room to see if it makes sense. And if it does make sense, if it goes through all the quality inspection and all those inspections.
We will test it.
That's right,
And
we will
test
test
that we
it.
have the model wear, and for some exercise, I will by myself to test if fit is comfortable. I will give the size suggestion, something like this. If not good,
right.
then we will make a new.
That's right. So this
We'll
is
give the report.
this is the designer square. This is designer room, right? So these pieces, they will get sampled like this. They will be checked, put on a model, see if it works, see if it looks good, see if it's comfortable.
Yeah.
And if all of those check marks hit the spot, it will be moved on to production, into the machine. Yeah. So this is technically the very first step in everything. Okay. Well, there you go. Very, very cool.
So
stuff.
for the different market, their size is also different. Like Asia, like USA, the size totally different. For the USA, they can, they have the very tiny waist, but have a big butt.
Yes.
Yeah. So there we'll also make the butt size like one size bigger.
That's right. And you can customize this for your clientele. You can customize this for your market, for your country, All done exactly as required by the customer. United States, Asia, UK, Australia,
yeah.
Canada, whatever you need.
They
will
have
do it.
around 18 years experience.
Oh, that's
So
right.
they have all
18
the
years.
data in their mind.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. Yeah, so S Shaper is 18 years of experience of being a full one-stop shop for being an
Shapewear.
incubator. And a lot of these people have been working here from the very beginning, so they have a lot of experience specifically with these products. So you get the top level,
Yeah.
not only the top level materials, not only the top level production line, but the top level personnel that knows exactly what it means to ship to the United States, that know exactly what it means to work with Canada, to work with
Yeah.
Australia, to work with Asia, to work with Singapore. They have everything in their minds already because they've been here for so long.
So if
and they've
you
been
are
doing this.
worried about the size, we will give you the data. We
That's
have
right.
all.
We have all the data
Yeah.
you need. That's right. So, I mean, it really doesn't get much better than this in terms of a shapewear or athletic wear or sportswear supplying. It really doesn't.
Yeah, we have the size chart.
Oh, look at that. We do have the
You
size
see?
chart. Very interesting.
chart.
So this is, okay, look at that. So these are all the measurements for what constitutes each size for
each
this
plate-
specific thing.
Each place they have the
Yeah.
size.
Nice.
Each
Okay.
part. We
Very,
mark up.
very cool. Nice. So each piece here is exactly correlated to the correct size. Of course, everything is double checked. Everything is triple checked. It is quality inspected at the come out. Yeah, so very interesting stuff here. Very cool piece. Oh, we have some
you
of the
can see
samples
some-
here,
yeah,
looks like.
Oh, you guess what size this one?
Oh, I have no idea, actually. It's a full
You know, we
bodysuit.
will have a size from XXL small
Yeah.
to 6XL. So
Yeah.
you guess here is XXL small.
Oh, wow. So this is
yeah.
a size XXS, and it is shaperwear, like we said. So this is for all your petite customers. I'm sure. Oh, look at that. Wonderful. Very cool. I can tell that shapes exactly as it's supposed to. We do have a lot of samples here, and they
Yeah.
all feel very
You know,
nice.
the
on the touch.
seamless shapewear.
Yeah.
It have a super elastic, so it can fix two sizes. If you are extra small, you can also put on this. Yeah.
Nice, very nice, and all the materials feel very nice. I'm not gonna lie, I did not
We
expect.
Put on patient on every details. You see.
Very cool. Yes.
You
Very
see all the
nice.
colors. By the way, we make the color according to Pantone number. Later we'll show you in the showroom.
Okay, very cool. Yes, this looks absolutely wonderful. The feeling of this is something that I can't translate live, but you can definitely
Yeah.
see how it looks. And you saw the production line, you saw all the workers precision cutting, precision sewing. You saw the machine spitting this thing out at 4 minutes per piece, over 50 machines. Crazy stuff. And right here, if you want to know, the feeling of this
Yeah,
is amazing.
you can choose the different fabric.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see. It's
Feels very
super
nice.
elastic. You see.
Wow. Yeah, your customers are going to be more than happy with this, especially considering that you get this to them in under 30 days from the very beginning up until the very end. That is, again, unheard of. That is unprecedented. So I'm just going to congratulate Annie and her husband on
Thank you.
making this possible at all.
Yeah.
For 30 days, that is crazy. That is a very crazy number. Yeah, so
You can
very
choose
cool
the
stuff.
different fabric to make the small shipping, middle shipping, and the high compression shipping. If you want the daily wear, you just wear smooth shipping, right? If you want to go to the party, you want to show your charming body, you can wear the high compression.
Yeah, very
So
nice.
you can choose.
Very
we
cool.
all designed for daily use.
Yes,
so
and
the party, shopping with your friends.
Nice. And the thing about these is that it doesn't just compress; it's also very comfortable to
Yeah,
wear.
it's comfortable.
So it's
I
like
wear
it's like
every day.
Yeah,
You
that's
can say
right.
It's invisible.
it's like almost like a no-notice shaperwear. You
Oh,
don't notice
yeah.
that you're wearing shaperwear,
Yeah,
but it
you
is
don't
shaping
know,
your body,
yeah.
which
so
is
it's
crazy.
Secret inside.
I'm gonna make sure to leave this live stream today with at least one compression shirt for myself because I really
We
want
make
to try it
for
on.
men. Later I'll show you.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
wow,
for
look at
men.
that. Beautiful. And by the way, when we were checking the quality inspection, I saw an absolutely beautiful red tank top that looked just like a normal tank top
Yeah,
that you
it's
just put on.
fashion,
It's very fashion. You just put it on, you put on a jacket or something, and you're
Jacket,
good to
yeah.
go. It's not just shaperwear that goes under your clothing. It is the clothing. Do you understand what I'm saying? And it's very comfortable to wear, and it is shaping
You
you.
can
That's the
wear
crazy part.
directly on
Yeah,
set.
that's right. So you don't need to choose between shapewear or beautiful, comfortable clothing. You
No,
can choose
it's-
both.
Yeah. Now it's connected together.
That's right.
Fashion and shapewear together.
That's right. They're connected together, and your customers are
So
gonna
it's not
appreciate
like old
that.
man. Now it's become fashion shapewear now.
That's right. That is exactly right. Yeah, very, very, very interesting room here. This is the original designer.
It's a sample maker.
Nice.
Thank you.
谢谢. Okay, cool. Very, very cool. So yeah, as we can see, there are a lot of workers here that are doing exactly what they need to be doing at every step of the way. They are very highly qualified and highly trained professionals that have been doing this for a long time. They have been experts at their craft for a while. Okay, they've been experts at their craft for a while, including the sewers, the stitchers, the patchers, the logo makers, the ironers, the packagers, the shippers.
So we
all
provide
of that.
one-stop solutions for you.
That's right. It is a one-stop solution from the very beginning up until the very end. But I would like to remind you guys one more time that we are here on Alibaba's open day. My name is Victor. This is Annie, a very special guest here at S Shaper. The reason she's a special guest is because she is the co-founder and the lead product designer and the lead visionary here at S Shaper. And it is very, very rare to have such a high-level decision maker, essentially the highest level of decision maker, come live and talk to you guys. And this is a very interesting opportunity for you guys watching live from home, from your chairs, to see inside this factory here, S Shaper. Okay, and let's see, we are checking some of the quality here.
They are cutting the actual thread.
Oh, okay, so this is where it gets cut, looks like.
Yeah,
Okay,
they need to cut this first, then for the stitch.
Look at that. Okay, so this is the cutting part.
this,
Very
yeah.
cool. So this obviously gets cut.
Cut this, then move to the stitch next step.
Very nice. Yes, absolutely.
Again, you see, we make this four little six thread. You
Wow.
see?
Yeah.
There one more time, okay? You can see, you can compare.
Yeah.
This is our normal garments. This you see, this is what we did.
Yeah, very comfortable.
Pay attention on every details to make you comfortable, to make women feel comfortable and confidence.
Yes, that's right. That's exactly right. So yeah, this is the entire factory, the entire steps of the process. S Shaper is bringing you a few benefits here on stream. You get for watching this live stream. So not only do you get to see the inside of the factory, not only do you get to talk to the co-founder and the lead product designer here at S Shaper, you also get, what's the discount again, remind me, for being here?
Open day, limited time, up to 10% off.
Oh, look at that, up to 10%.
Factory price directly and experience S Shaper's quality. Kick off your brand in incubation journey, okay?
That's right.
So let's review again what we did before. Maybe someone is just new to here, okay?
That's right. So let me tell you, we started this live stream up top on the 6th floor, and we were showing.
Yeah, we saw the
machinery. That's right.
Intelligent machine.
The intelligent production line for the machinery. So
Like
it's a machine.
robot make.
That's right.
Only
It takes
4 minutes to make one.
That's right. 4 minutes per
4
one
minutes.
piece.
Yeah.
Exactly right. And it takes all the yarn that we saw, this tiny small piece of yarn, into the machine, spins it out.
4.
That's right. 4 minutes per one piece of garment. And there are over 50 machines.
You
in
have
that room.
50 machines, and plus one machine can make 500. So how many pieces?
Yeah, so many. I don't even remember, but one machine can make like 25,000 per day or something like that.
Yeah,
if I'm not
so-
highly mistaken, 2,500, 25,000. Very, very big number. Yeah, very, very high
1
precision.
year around 8 millions.
That's
so
crazy.
you no worry about our production.
That's right.